Hello. Um, I guess we are live. Yes. Okay. Okay. So in this webcast, we are going to find out how to debug a Go program. So typically suppose you have a bug and then you want to debug that bug through some sort of software. So Go provides a good set of software through which you can debug your applications. So one of them, which is this uh, a Go del del I I think I pronounced the name. Yeah. So Godel provide you with the a set of utilities through which you can test your you can debug your application. So what I'll do, I'll just simply start with the a simple main.go, which will uh, have some package which will import this fmt, and which has a main function which basically calls a function. And for now I'll just create another function called add.go. For the simplicity of this tutorial, I'll just call it add, which takes a and b, which both are integer, and returns an integer, and it basically returns a plus b. Now, yes, and since I'll keep it in the same package, I'll keep it in package main, so I can just access it through just doing add, and then I'll provide 3 and 4, so the answer will be 7. And for now, I'll just run this. So run main.go. Add is not defined. It should be defined. Just keep it in capital letters. Okay, so the issue is that it's not able to access the function. Okay, I'll just make it smaller case. I can go to the function, but it's not running it. So let me just be the issue, because I see that it's able to get the signature of the function, but it's not able to run the function here. Okay. Okay, apparently naming the naming the file in the same package doesn't matter. I'll look into that. What's the main issue here? So for now, for the simplicity, I'll just remove this, and I'll add this add function somewhere so it can get executed. Yeah. So now I'll run it. As you can see, I have received the 7, which is the expected result. Now I'm using VS Code. So this purpose of this debugging is through VS Code only. So I'll add a debugger here. Go to this debugger option, and I'll run the debug. I'll set the go del one is experimental, another is not, so I'll set the go one, and we can go and see in the output what's happening. Yeah, so it is the debugger is applied and stopped there, and I'll step into the function, which is a and b. Yeah, and I have this a and b, and then also some kind of some other local variable that strangely name is still r2. and okay, now it's 0, so it has a garbage value first and then it's to 0. So I'm assuming it's a return value. So if I step over again, yeah, and then return value return me to the value that is getting returned, and I might able to see the result uh, in the terminal. Okay, not showing in the debugger console itself. Okay, I don't think that returns on the debugger function, but as you can see that we have debugged the application. Now, for example, yes, there is another one, the experimental one. Okay, it requires the launch.json, which we don't have, right? Okay, it created for one for us, and then now I'll do the launch again. Okay, to launch. I don't think it's working. I'll remove this. So it's pretty simple if we wanted to do in the VS Code, because all you have to do is to add the breakpoint and start the debugger option. Now, so sweet little command for it, Control Shift D, goes to there, and you just select it. You select it, go. Okay, sorry, need to do it again. Go and step into it. Have A, you have B. You can come into the debug console. You can write A and just iterate. It gives you the value of A, and yep, so far this is it. I can't see any other values apart from the local one, and neither the return value, which you can see in other app programming languages, for example in JavaScript, but I guess this is. So yes, there you have it. Debugging is as simple as this in Go. Thanks for the